So we're going on a trip tomorrow. Today pala is, ano bang day today? September 22. And tomorrow we're going to Shizuoka to see Mount Fuji. Yay! And we're very excited. The whole family is so excited for this trip. And especially ako kasi matagal ko na gusto makita yung Mount Fuji. And ngayon lang talaga kami nagka-time na pumunta ng Shizuoka finally. So, kasi tomorrow na yung trip and magda-drive si husband. It's gonna be a 5-hour drive from Osaka here sa amin to Shizuoka. And we have a 13-month-old baby girl, kaya kailangan naming mag-prepare. So right now, I'm gonna show you what I prepared for tomorrow's trip. Para siyang pack the bags with me. Although napack ko na talaga siya kanina, na-prepare ko na siya kanina. So, for like the first day, tomorrow is our first day kasi ano lang pala kami, 2 days and 1 night. So, uuwi din kami the next day, September 24. So, yung usual na bag ni Luna, this one, ito yung bag na ginagamit namin pag lumalabas. Ito lang yung gagamitin namin for tomorrow. And I already prepared here. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman. So, this is like Luna's nappy bag. It has a name on it. Kita nyo ba? It says Luna. So, what's inside Luna's nappy bag? It's just nappies because it's a nappy bag. So, she has her extra nappies and then extra clothes. Itong, anong tawag, changing sheet. And then, plastic para pag before itapon sa basurahan we have. And she also has extra clothes in case na madumihan siya or anything at least. So, that's inside this bag. And other things, wipes. This is very important. And ito yung bag. Tapos may pinipare akong isa pang bag. Cebu. This is from Cebu. Inside this bag is yung it will be Luna's first time na sumakay sa car for 5 hours. Not naman straight kasi definitely we're gonna stop sa mga service area, but it's still a long drive and definitely maboboard si Luna kasi nasa stage na siya na easy lang siyang magboard. So, I prepared lots of things to entertain her. Number 1, of course, lots of snacks. I put, ito yung parang wet sheet, pang wipe sa kanyang hands. Snacks. A lot of snacks actually. And bib. Bib para hindi madumihan yung damit niya. Just snacks. And then I prepared some books in case maboard siya. And I put some teether, Luna's teether, just in case. And I also, we're gonna bring her tablet. Hindi talaga siya ginagamit ni Luna-chan. Actually, it's a gift from my mom, Luna's grandma. And hindi pa namin siya masyadong ginagamit because hindi pa siya nai-enjoy ni Luna. Ako lang gumagamit. But just in case kailangan niya ng mga entertainment, at least prepared. And may ilalagay pa akong toys dyan. Hindi ko pa siya pwedeng ilagay kasi ginagamit pa siya ni Luna. So, yeah, that's basically the bags that I prepared for tomorrow. And then pinak ko na rin yung mga kailangan niyang damit. Wait a minute. For sure, magugulat kayo sa naisipan kong bag na dadalhin tomorrow. Kasi it's an eco bag. Malaki kasi siya. And I feel like marami akong mailalagay sa kanya. And hindi naman namin siya dadalhin outside. Magka-car lang naman kami. So, hindi siya masyadong embarrassing kasi ilalagay lang namin siya sa car. And then, siguro yung pinaka-embarrassing lang na part nung pag na kami, pupunta na kami sa hotel, sa reception lang. But, I think it's not bad. Hindi naman siya ganun kapagit tignan. So, this is from Cebu as well. Lang siya, eco bag. Kaya, yan yung naisipan kong dalhin for tomorrow. So, ito naman yung ilalagay ko para sa parang second day namin. And then yung mga damit ni Luna for the second day plus yung mga kailangan namin. Kasi 13-month-old, marami pa siyang kailangan. So, first, tandyan, nilagay ko na siya sa box. Inside this one, again, plenty of snacks and extra nappy for the next day. And then, I put milk. Meron siyang milk para sa the next day na milk. And then, water and bib. Again, extra bib para sa next day. So, yan lang. And then, itong parang container na ito, I'm also gonna use this one para i-wash or i-soak yung ni Luna, yung mga bottles niya. This is it. This is it, Pansit. Where's the Milton? It's over here. This one, lagay ko dyan. So, diba? Perfect. And this one, another bag. This is for Luna. And inside this bag, towel niya. Tapos, pajama, and clothes para sa next day ng trip namin, and extra clothes. Maraming extra clothes. Kailangan natin magdala ng maraming extra. So, this one, go inside. And this bag is not for Luna, it's for me. Ito naman nakalagay yung pangtulog ko, and then yung damit ko for the next day. Tapos yung medyas, socks, and underwear, parang mga ganon. So, ito na. Just put it there. Ayan. See? I'm gonna show you. Marami talaga siyang Tadang! See? And it has extra room or space para sa ibang mga gamit. Hindi pa pala to kompleto kasi kailangan ko pang ilagay dyan yung ni Luna dyan, yung mga sabon niya, pangligo, tapos yung lotion, and basta yung mga skincare ni Luna, tapos yung ko rin, yung skincare ko, facial wash, parang mga ganun, kasi hindi ko pa siya mailagay or ma-prepare ngayon, kasi gagamitin ko siya tonight and tomorrow morning, same as Luna. Kaya, tomorrow morning ko na siyang ilagay. Anyways, yun lang naman yung yun lang naman yung ilalagay ko. So, I think we're ready. Natawa lang ako sa bag. For sure, matatawa din si husband pag nakita tong bag na to. And yeah, we are so ready and we're very excited for our trip tomorrow. Matagal din kaming hindi nakapag-trip as a family of 3. Yung last namin was April sa Cebu. Nung umuwi kami sa Cebu, last April, and April, May, June, July, August, September. So, 5 months bago kami nakapag-family trip ulit. And we're just very, very excited. I'm sure Daddy is excited, but definitely, kailangan niyang matulog, magpahinga kasi magdo-drive siya. Siya lang naman kasi marunong mag-drive sa family na to. And it's gonna be a 5-hour drive. Me and Luna are just gonna be a passenger princess. So yeah, good luck to Daddy. And yeah, I'll see you guys on our trip. Hopefully you enjoy our vlog, our Shizuoka trip vlog. And yeah, see you!